Zoey's Number Adventure.
One big sun is shining bright. Zoey waves with all her might. Two butterflies fluttered by. Zoey laughs and waves high, high. Three flowers bloom with glee. Zoey counts them 1, 2, 3. Four baby birds chirp and sing. Zoey counts each little wing. 5 squirrels jump and run. Zoey counts them one by one. 6 sticks laid out in a row. Zoey counts them as they go. 7 rainbow colors shine. Zoey counts them one at a time. 8 little ants march in line. Zoey counts them all just fine. 9 shiny apples hanging high. Zoey counts them with a happy sigh. 10 happy children clap and cheer. Zoey counts them loud and clear. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for bear with big round feet. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who jumps all day. G is for goat who loves to hop. H is for hat we wear non-stop. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a yummy bite. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon, shining silver light. N is for nest, hidden out of sight. Sing with Zoey, A to Z. Come and learn the letters with me. Jump and clap, have some fun. We'll sing the ABCs, everyone. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda, happy as can be. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for turtle, slow but right. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, a happy refrain. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for sore thumb, playing music for you and me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra, traveling through the town. Sing with Zoey, A to Z. Come and learn the letters with me. Monday starts the week so bright. Time to learn and shine with light. Tuesday comes with fun and play. Smiling, laughing all the way. Wednesday's here, half the week. Keep on going, reach your peak. Thursday brings new things to do. Try your best and see it through. Friday comes, hip hooray. School is done, it's weekend day. Saturday is fun and free. Picnic games or climbing trees. Sundays come, a day to rest. Family time is always best. 7 days come every week. Learning more is what we Zoey hopes along the way. Come and learn with us each. Zoey hopes along the way. Come and learn with us each. Zoey hopes along the way. Come and learn with us each. Zoey hopes along the way. Come and learn with us each day.
Red is the apple, juicy and bright. Orange is the sunset, glowing at night. Come learn the colors with Zoey today. Point and shout the colors, hip hip hooray. Yellow is the sun that lights up the sky. Green is the grass where Zoey runs by. Blue is the ocean, deep and so wide. Purple are the grapes Zoey eats with pride. Pink are the flowers, soft as a dream. Brown is the chocolate, a yummy ice cream. Black is the night with stars shining high. White are the clouds drifting way up in the sky. Colors of magic, come join Zoey's fun. There's so much to see for everyone. Red is the apple, juicy and bright. Orange is the sunset, glowing at night. Come learn the colors with Zoey today. Point and shout the colors, hip hip hooray. Yellow is the sun that lights up the sky. Green is the grass where Zoey runs by. Blue is the ocean, deep and so wide. Purple are the grapes Zoey eats with pride. Pink are the flowers, soft as a dream. Brown is the chocolate, a yummy ice cream. Black is the night with stars shining high. White are the clouds drifting way up in the sky. Colors are magic, come join Zoey's fun. There's so much to see for everyone.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow for more adventures.